Hey guys, I just woke up a little, probably 45 minutes ago, and I just moisturized my legs so they're getting nice and smooth, and I am going to the gym today with James, and I'm so excited because I'm so motivated to do something today to get my life together, and this is perfect. Oh my god, you have no idea. I'll see you later. Hey guys. Yeah, my cereal, healthy choice of the day, chocolate toast crunch. But, yeah, I'm waiting for James because he's always late. And, yeah, I'm gonna eat my cereal.
So I have work at 5. Oh.
Babe, picked me up.
Yes, I did.
Where are we going?
We are going to the YMCA to go work out.
Sweet. Are you excited?
Yes, I am.
I braided my hair just for you.
Aww. I like the sweatshirt you're wearing.
Oh, thanks. Where'd I get it?
From me.
Hey guys, so we just got done lifting and we're not going swimming because we're going out to eat, and I know we're a little tiny bit sweaty, but we'd rather not smell like chlorine, so yeah. I'm just gonna get dressed. Sweet. See you later. We're leaving now. Oh, it's my favorite commercial.
Can I have a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich? I'm sorry, what's that?
I hear that way too many times in a day.
A sandwich? There's a big poster here. Oh, you mean sandwich?
Was that you? Was that actually, did they record that of you?
Yeah, because
Oh, that's what I
if you
thought.
don't pronounce croissant right, I get really flustered, and I go croissant. Speed bump. Here we go.
Oh. So now we're going to eat somewhere, and
The location is classified.
yeah, obviously. But how'd you feel? How do you feel now?
How do I feel?
Yeah.
I feel tired. But a good tired. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I don't really feel that tired, like a pinch of tired, but I'm really motivated to have a good day. So.
Oh, look at them! They got dogs.
I'm
motivated to have a good day too.
They got dogs.
I feel like I could do a lot more, even though my legs are about to. No.
Maybe I feel like I could walk Mount Everest, but if my legs give out, that's okay. Is that how you feel? Because that's how that's what I'm feeling.
That's exactly. Walk Mount Everest in one day. That's right.
Yeah, I could do
It's
it.
usually like a 9-day hike or something crazy.
But we can do it in one.
Like a 3-day or something.
No, we can do it in one. That'd be weird just sleeping on. Oh, hi, how you doing? Oh yeah, I'm just sleeping on a mountain. How are you?
Well, it's not just like you fall asleep on a mountain. You got tents and shit.
Oh.
It's like camping in a snowy
We
environment.
should do it one day.
We can't do it in one day though.
Well, yeah, I'm saying one consecutive days.
You want to do it one day?
No, one.
In the future.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're just gonna go get something to eat, and yeah. Throw up a peace sign. We're at a restaurant, and I got raspberry iced tea, which I get every time. And what did you get?
A Coke.
What did you get?
A Coke.
Coke. Is it good?
Yeah.
And I think I'm either getting a wrap or a salad. And we're getting some appetizer thingy. It has a bunch of stuff in it, even though, we just worked out and we're gonna be fat. So it's okay. We're gonna do it, so. Yee. Okay, so we got this thing. And it's a platter thing of a bunch of appetizers. How do you feel about it?
Well, the appetizers are good, but the giant taco shell thing is a piece of crap.
I don't like this part, but I don't think it's really meant to be eaten, so.
It's probably like cardboard or something. Yeah, we just tried to eat.
Woo! So this is my food. It's a chicken Caesar wrap, and I don't really know what's in it, but I got fries. What did you get?
I got a bacon cheeseburger with onions, tomato, lettuce.
He
And
gets
fries.
a cheeseburger every single time we go somewhere. But I'm excited. Woo! Okay, so we're done. We just ate. It was really good. And yeah. So where are we going now?
I don't know where we're going.
Well, I don't know either.
Let's just drive around Sheets in circles.
Do you want to go to your house or no? Are we really driving around in a circle?
Yep.
Right here or no?
We'll go this way.
What are we doing?
We are going sightseeing.
Sweet. And what's here?
A gorge. The waterfall.
A waterfall. And I really need to pee, even though I just peed. And I'm like, my legs are like, I'm walking like a weird person because my legs are sore. They're not even like sore, they just don't work. Like they just don't step right. I'm probably gonna fall and die, so this might be the last Vlogmas. Sorry if it is, but looking on my right hand.
Up there, so from all the way up there.
This is a cool pic. Like, it's not fall anymore, but like it's a cool fall pic. Watch out, get out of our view. You're not cool enough. Okay, we're good. We got a fall pic. Dude, I can't do this. Like, I'm not steady. I am not cool enough. I might fall. Hashtag last Vlogmas of the life. Rachel Antondormi died vlogging. She dedicated her whole life to YouTube.
See that tree right there? See that waterfall right there?
Yeah.
That's where you climb up. Like right next to it.
What?
You climb up the waterfall. There's a rock. Okay, come here.
I see it. I can see.
I was gonna show you though.
I'm scared.
You're scared?
Yeah.
Just think, you have to walk across that, so you're fine. So there's a rock that you put your knees on. Then you go up from there, you shimmy over, and then you climb up those rocks, shimmy over there, climb up those rocks, and then you come up here. I'll show you.
Okay, I'm doing a outfit of the day. So I'm wearing these they're jeans. They're from Express. My shoes are Converse. My shirt, I think it's from Hollister. It has a pocket. And then my sweater is from, I think, American Eagle. And Natalie got it for me. And my scarf is from Arrow. It's my favorite scarf ever. And then this purse, it's by Sparrow True. And my backpack is my cheer backpack. Peace, love, outfit of the day. Me and Bear home now.
Yes, we are.
And I'm freezing, my toes are cold, and we're just chilling.
Yeah, I'm really tired now. I don't want to go to work.
We'll be fine. Okay, the lighting is really nasty because
Haven Strike.
the sky is like dark already, and we are picking a tree and we're cutting down a tree. And
We are picking a tree on the Haven Strike Christmas tree farm.
but we're cutting down our own tree, and my mom won't shut up, so hope you heard everything that I just said, because probably not.
They were.
Come on, Lou.
Oh.
You gotta drag it that way, Lou. Pull it towards you.
Hey guys, so I'm finally home, like relaxed, and I'm done with everything. We got our tree up, and it looks pretty grot, but we didn't put ornaments or anything on it yet. But I had a really awesome day. It was so awesome. So thanks, Faye. You're the best Faye ever. So I'm home now, and I'm watching my dance video from last year. Because I'm in the mood for it. I wanted to watch a Christmas movie, but you know how that goes, so this is our, like, this here. Oh, better turn up. Oh, there I am. On the ground. Kicking my feet. Oh, whipping that hair. I just like watching them before we start dances to just see what I can improve on and stuff like that. So, yeah. Let me tell you, people, I did leg day in, like, the weight room and stuff, and oh my god, my legs are hurting so bad. But if you ever want to go to the gym, do it, because it is so amazing. Like, the pain afterwards just reminds you of, like, the good thing that you did, and it's just amazing. And also, I had to put my glasses on because I'm blind, so yeah. Hey guys, I'm a helicopter. I have, like, this huge giant ponytail in, and my glasses, because I'm blind. And today was an awesome day. Like, I had such a good day, and it's just like, I haven't had, like, a good of a day. I was like, today, that was not grammatically correct at all, but I don't know, I just had a lot of fun, and just, you know, story time, because why not include this? Because one day I'll forget about it, and I just need to put it in here so I can look back, and, you know. So, we were at that, like, waterfall thingy, whatever you want to call it, and I really had to pee, like, really, really bad. And we were, like, all the way already down there, and it's a long walk to get there, and I was like, I had to pee really bad, and so he was like, come on, just go, like, in the woods. It's like in the woods, but we were, you know, and so I was like literally squatting down to pee. And this guy comes up, like, on the other trail, and he's taking a video with his GoPro, and there's, like, this guy. He didn't see me at all, though, which was, like, amazing, but, like, I just sat there for, like, 5 minutes, like, 2 minutes, and I was like, stand in front of me, don't let him see me. And then he was like, so hurry up and pull your pants up right now. And so I pulled them up, and then we pretended like nothing happened. And I didn't actually go until, like, we left. So, like, I didn't really get to enjoy it because I was, like, going to pee my pants. But it was so fun. I had a great day. And also my legs still hurt, so. Yeah, and I really need to wash my hair, and I don't want to because I want my hair to be, like, longer days that you don't have to wash it, but it doesn't cooperate with my life, so yeah. Okay, guys, so I am just going to end the vlog here because I'm just going to, like, shower and go to bed anyways. There's nothing exciting left, but today was a really, really long vlog. It was the longest one of all of my vlogs so far, and it was an awesome day, and I loved it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and thumbs up if you like Vlogmases, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Good night.